Alex says, I just bought a new tubeless tire and after only a few rides I got a puncture that wouldn't seal. Can you show me how to use the tubeless tire repair kit to save my tire? It seems like everyone has made the switch to tubeless on their mountain bike, and for good reason. The benefits of not having to worry about a pinch flat when running lower pressures, added traction, and preventing something as small as a thorn from ruining your ride have all made the mountain biking experience much better. However, tubeless tires are usually more expensive than standard tires. Although they are more puncture resistant, some tears and cuts still won't seal, even with sealant in the tire. That's where tubeless tire repair kits come in handy. They may not be the best solution for a trailside fix, but they are capable of saving your tire's ability to be run tubeless, which is great because let's face it, once you've made the move to tubeless, you're never going to want to run tubes ever again. Here's how the kit works. The first thing you'll want to do is remove the tube from the tire if you installed one to get home. While the bead is off the rim, run a rag through the inside of the tire to dry whatever sealant is still there. Then, install a tubeless valve and re-inflate the tire. Inflate the tire to locate the puncture, which can often be identified by a wet spot where the sealant has leaked out. Once the puncture is located, thoroughly clean and dry the tire in that area inside and out. Next, you'll want to run the needle through the puncture a few times to open up the hole enough for the plug to go in. Now we'll cut the rubber piece into a 3 mm wide strip, peel off the backing, and thread through the needle. Make sure the needle is in the center of the rubber strip you just cut. Coat the entire rubber piece with the rubber cement that comes with the kit and insert the puncture until the eye of the needle is through the puncture. Then slowly draw the needle back out of the puncture until the eye of the needle and rubber are exposed. All that's left to do now is cut the rubber, leaving about 2 mm protruding from the tire. Let the rubber cement dry, which will take about 5 minutes. Add your sealant and re-inflate the tire to check your work. Once you're done, seal everything back up and return to the kit to prolong the life and effectiveness of the rubber and rubber cement. The kit can be used quite a few times and has the potential to save you a lot of money and frustration from quote-unquote ruining your tubeless tires. So give it a shot and see if you can't save some of those tires you have lying around that you thought you'd only ever be able to run with a tube. If you want your question asked on Ask a Mechanic presented by Cyclery, send your inquiry to webletters@competitorgroup.com.